Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, today we're gonna prepare this delicious green sauce made out of pumpkin, lettuce, and coriander to prepare these delicious shrimps with rice. We're gonna start washing our rice with just water 2, 3 times, 4 times until the water comes clear as possible, like you may see, and then just let it rinse. After it's rinsed, some oil, a little bit of garlic, then saute it. Bring in your rice. Yep. Just mix it all carefully, all the rice. Yeah. Just mix it together with the oil and the garlic. It will melt the flavors on it. A little bit of salt. Yeah, you are. And we're gonna cook it. I cook it with the open lid once it starts boiling, around 13 minutes. Yeah, and then I cover it with the lid and another 13 minutes with a low temperature. So the other pan, we're gonna saute garlic, onion with olive oil. Yeah, like you may see, just like that. Just like that, don't burn it, just a little bit saute. Now we're gonna add our pumpkin seeds. This will be the nutty, safe flavor to our sauce, which is very, very nice. Yeah, we're just gonna roast it, saute a little bit this mix. Here our rice getting cooked, and now we're gonna add some veggies. We're gonna just slice some cucumber, like you see, and I will add some salt that it loses a little bit of the watery of the cucumber, and after that it will be very still crunchy but flexible. Yeah, just add a little bit of salt and just on the side, and that's it. That will be our garnition, our salad for this dish today. Quite simple, quite easy. Yeah, just mix it, salt, cucumber, let it rest, and that's it. Well, on the other side, we're gonna add half a lettuce on the blender. Just wash lettuce, regular one, and look, this is our garlic, onion, and the pumpkin seeds together, the one we sauteed. Yeah, we're gonna add to the blender. Yep, just like that. Let's make it all together. There you are. No, and we got some broth. I got 250 grams here. This is a vegetable broth. Yeah, you can also do, if you have the shell from the shrimps, you can use a broth from shrimps. It will also be very nice. Now we're just gonna blend it, and it will be magic. Yeah, look, this nutty cream sauce is just fabulous. The nuts flavor here is sensational. Yeah, very nice. You will love it actually. Yeah, we are just almost there. Now we are gonna add a little bit of spice in it, not that much, just a little bit, because at home not everybody eats spices, only me, so I do it myself separately. So now we are gonna proceed to saute our shrimps. Just cook them like 1 minute from each side around. Yeah, and then we're gonna turn it. Yeah, you see, it's just very, very, very easy and very, very speedy. The shrimps were with salt, pepper, and garlic marinated. Yeah, that's what was it. And now we're gonna incorporate our sauce, and we are ready to go. We just need to mix the shrimps with the sauce. Let that a little bit of the bottom of the pan, the stickiness left from the shrimps, get together with the sauce, and then we're done. We are ready. Now we're gonna just top our rice with this green sauce and top it with a little bit of spices for me. Yeah, you can also make some decoration with some coriander on the side. It will just be very nice. So look, very, very smooth sauce, and the flavor of nuts flavor from the seeds is very, very, very nice. I really like it. So now look, our rice with some garlic. Yeah, just like that. Serve it and top the rice with the sauce and the shrimps. So everyone, I hope you like it. If you did like the video, leave that thumb up button behind the video. If you have any comment, any question, just here down in the bottom box. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to the channel. There's a bunch of recipes here for everyday cooking ideas. Look, the sauce is just very nice. Leave me your comment behind the video. Take care and have a nice journey.